Now, let me carefully explain how to transform a long video into engaging shorts using AI in the CapCut app on your phone. In the CapCut app on your phone, let's begin by opening the app and exploring its features to create amazing videos together. Start by tapping on All Tools, then carefully look for Auto Cut in the menu. This feature will help you edit your videos efficiently. Now, click on it and then add your long videos. For instance, let's choose this one as an example. I have this kind of video, and as you can see, it generates everything you need for your project seamlessly now. Now, let's turn off what we have. And as you can see, there are many different options available for you here. There are various templates that you can use for your TikTok, such as this one, which is incredibly versatile and user-friendly. There are many different options available here. If you have a video that's 5 minutes or even 10 minutes long, let's explore. Just long videos contain many important moments, and CapCut helps you highlight them effectively, as you can see here. It automatically does everything and adds all the moments here, as you can see. It adds, essentially, that if you have a video lasting a minute, you can also include it in. Now, let's explore CapCut and choose the perfect template for your video clips. That's all for now. Thank you everyone for watching. Thanks for watching everyone. Good luck to you all, and goodbye for now.